Hey everyone, making a video for Wesley today just to share what he has done for me so far with his programs. I just want to tell you right now, today's day 21. I'm super stoked and just fighting through each day. Trust me, it's hard, but it's so rewarding so far. I've been able to see myself change just tremendously. My attitude, the way I view things, the way I handle things, the decisions I make, my discipline is, oh my gosh, it's amazing. And trust me, you have to work this up here. And that's what Wesley has done for us, is packed everything together to be able to control your mind, to be able to work on your mindset, work on your heart, and get things together. And he has helped me do that so well so far. And I'm just, honestly, I'm excited to see myself in a year from now. I already have goals set out. I'm gonna free my girl. I'm gonna have so many other things that I'm gonna be taking so many people with me, because I wanna share what I've been giving as well, and share just opportunities. I just wanna better people. I want them to be the best that they can be. So day 21 for me, it's been amazing. I'm already seeing opportunities just pop up like, oh my God, it's like crazy popcorn, just popping. And I'm stoked, man. I opened up a business like a week ago or so. I got so many things lined up, and Wesley keeps on sharing so many opportunities to make money as well.
Hey guys, what's up today? This is your girl Fule. Hope you all are keeping safe. 3 months ago, I purchased the Overnight Millionaire program by Wesley Million Dollar Virgins, and look, it totally transformed my life. I'm confident right now, and I just went through a mind detox, and I'm creating right now. I've got loads of things going on, and Wesley, I just want to say thank you very much, and I'm grateful to the Most High. And if you're watching this and you really want to detox that mind of yours, I'll tell you to take action right now.